Are you ready to dive deeper into the world of quantitative finance and master complex financial models and analysis? If you're serious about boosting your skills in this area, the right books can make all the difference. So today, I'm going to share some of the best books that will help you become an expert in quantitative finance. Now, before I continue, I just want to let you know, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So listen. One must read is Quantitative Finance for Dummies by Steve Bell, and I'll put this all in the description. This book is perfect for beginners, offering clear explanations on key concepts, financial modeling, and risk management techniques. Now, if you're ready for something more advanced, check out Paul Wilmott Introduces Quantitative Finance. Paul Wilmott is a leading figure in the field, okay? His books cover everything from pricing derivatives to modeling financial risks, okay? So another great choice is called The Concepts and Practice of Mathematical Finance, okay? And that's by Mark S. Joshi, okay? This book dives into the math behind financial models and provides practical examples. So for those interested in algorithmic trading, you got Algorithmic Trading by Winning Strategies and Their Rationale by Ernest P. Offers hands-on strategies and insights into building and testing trading algorithms. And I'll give you one more. Options, Futures, and Other Derivatives by John C. Hall. It's a classic that covers everything from pricing derivatives to managing portfolios using quantitative models. So these books are going to give you the tools to master complex financial models and unlock new opportunities in the world of quantitative finance. And if you like this little video, leave me a like. I love you.